Hi everyone, Ryan from Gray's. We've got an XD ESP Fairmont Ghia sedan, 5.8 auto. Now, this car was factory ordered for a Ford dealer principal in Brisbane way back in 1980. And the car's been off the road since 95. The dealer principal had it for a couple of months, then sold it, and the gentleman parked it up in 1995. It is a factory matching numbers, 5.8 ESP Ghia. It was optioned with a Shield interior, and the car's just beautiful. It really is. It's nice and solid. The trim's all original in it. It's only had a little bit of paint, I believe, over the years, but just a striking car, and you really don't see too many of these cars on the market anymore. A lot of them are modified. Unfortunately, XD Falcons fell prone to rust very, very badly. Luckily, this car being in Western Queensland most of its life, it survived all of that. You know, it's a pretty special car, and you don't see too many of them. The motor's nice and healthy. There's zero spend on the car, and it's just a classic, true 80s muscle car. Now, Dick Johnson made these things famous when he started racing the True Blue XD, and a lot of people went out and bought 351 XD Falcons after Dick started racing his car because they're a pretty tough car. This is a great car, comes up at Gray's this month. If you'd like some more information, give us a call on 1300 Classic, or we have got the car at Pinkenbar at 131 Main Beach Road if you want to pop down and have a look at it. But a true classic, rare XD ESP 351 Ghia. So if you'd like to keep up with everything that's happening in our classic car and bike department, why don't you join our Facebook page, Gray's Classics Cars and Bikes. And also, if you'd like to keep up to date with the videos we do at Gray's on classic cars and bikes, subscribe to our YouTube channel.